Ever wonder what it's like to sneeze for 978 days straight? Spoiler alert, it's a tissue nightmare. Meet Donna Griffiths from the UK, who holds the world record for the longest sneezing fit ever. She started sneezing on January 13th, 1981 and didn't stop until September 16th, 1983. That's 978 days of non-stop Achoo. Donna's sneezes were so frequent, doctors estimated she sneezed around 1 million times in the first year alone. Just imagine the chaos. Her friends and family probably ran out of bless yous by day 2. And the mountain of tissues, we're talking a paper avalanche. This bizarre phenomenon left everyone scratching their heads. Doctors tried everything, but the sneezes just kept on coming. Finally, after 978 days, the sneezing mysteriously stopped as suddenly as it had started. Donna's story is a mix of humor, amazement, and a bit of disbelief. So next time you sneeze once or twice, just be grateful you're not setting any world records. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbelievable stories.